Okay, I want to walk through the two-set version of of the three-set version that I sent you in email. So first I'm going to walk through how we normally were setting up the three-card two-set. So we started with three cards that didn't form a set, and notice I'm using our coordinate system here, and I'm going to set it up looking like it's in a plane. So we've got three sets that we want to form, and there they are, right? And so we're going to put in the midpoints the cards that complete these unique sets. There we go. Now there's some other sets we want to complete. Now there's some non-symmetry here because we want to complete one of the a set where we want to take one of the first cards and then the second card, and we'll put that there to complete that set. And these here though are pairs of the second generation of cards. But anyway, we put those cards in, and now we have 9 cards. And what we realize is that, and what we can prove is that these two things form sets also, right? But actually, there's another set, and I'll put that in here. This card, and this card form a set. And it turns out by the symmetry of what we made, and actually we can't really use symmetry here because we're the ones who placed these cards this way, but lo and behold, all 4 of those triplets form sets, and so we have a total of 12 sets, and so these 9 cards are self-contained. Now not only do we have 12 sets, we have 4 sets of 3 parallel cards, and so let me show you that. Let me back up, and I'll take out the sets and leave here. So our first parallel sets are across these. These 3 sets are parallel, right? Take that out. These 3 sets are parallel, and then we have 2 sets of parallel that are built off the diagonals. So we have this diagonal plus this set are parallel, and then the opposite. Those are parallel. So we've got that. Those are our 4 sets of parallel, four groups of 3 sets that are parallel. Now I came across an alternative way of demonstrating this. So the idea is, instead of trying to set this up into a 4 grid, which has some advantages as far as these initial parallel sets, I'm going to treat the first 3 as kind of equals and put them in a equilateral triangle. So let me do that now. Let me switch over here. Okay, so now what I want to do is I've got this. Our first 3 sets, and so we've got our first three cards, so we have our first 3 sets forming an equilateral triangle, and so we'll put the new points in the midpoints. So there they go. Alright, now I get more symmetry out of this. I'd like to complete this set, and this set. So I'd like to complete those 3 sets. You can make an argument that none of these cards will work, so I get 3 new cards. And we know that 9 does complete a 2 set. So we have 3 more realized sets. If you look at it, these straight edges here all form sets. So that, and that form a set. But if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm missing 3 sets. Well, there's another one. If you look at it, this one plus those 2 form a set. And then, as you can guess by symmetry, we have 2 more of those. These 2 in that one, these 2 in that one. So what do our parallel sets look like? So let me take these sets out. There. Now I'm going to use the same colors to represent the same 3 as I did last time. So one was where we had 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, and 1, 0, 0. Well, the 3 that are parallel to that are not so nice other straight lines. There's this curved set and this straight set. But now we see 2 more that by symmetry that are going to be parallel, and that's exactly right. We have this one. Whoops, I just showed you that one. We have this one, which was another one of the parallel sets that we saw last time. It was the up and down parallel set. But we have this one, which is one of the diagonal sets. But now it mimics the other two that we have. Now, can you guess what the last set of parallel is? Well, it turns out it's those three diagonals. Those are parallel. So we get that and these three. So I think, I think the beauty of this setup is amazing compared to the beauty of the 3x3, and I just want you guys to think about that there's this alternative way of looking at it. Okay, that is done, and I hope that helps through the explanation.